Hey guys, I was working on a project and when I tried to import a package Keras, I'm getting error like this that there is no any module named Keras. So have you ever faced this difficulty? It means that your system environment is not containing its Keras library, right? So we first need to install it. For that, today I'll show you how to install it through Anaconda, right? So first you need to install the Anaconda in your system. So just visit anaconda.com and here you will get the options to download it for Windows, the MacBook, Apple and Linux. So just download whatever is available for you, alright? After installing, just open Anaconda in your system and go over the environment, alright? And since it's not installed, just filter it out with not installed packages. And when you scroll down over there are a lot of packages which have been installed in your environment. So it's better I'll search it for Keras, right? So here you can see that the package Keras. We'll select Keras application, which will be helpful for the application in Keras Deep Learning, and Keras reprocessing, right? So on selecting, click over the apply. It will take some time to install the packages in our environment. Now, as you can see, all three packages has been installed in our environment. Just click over apply. Alright, so it will take some time again, a few minutes. After that it will get installed in your environment. Alright, that's it. It has been installed. If you want to check over that, just filter out the installed and you will see in the installed section all three packages being showing, right? So this is it, how you can install the module in your system environment. Alright, have a nice day. See you in your next video. Bye bye.